fridge. Once I went to the fridge, saw our fridge in there, and I thought, fridge. What smell? Smells horrible. Finger in, and he poured. It's nice. Lift the jug and drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is peat, tinned peat. What a drink! So I drank the lot. Long after, I went to the fridge, saw our fridge in there. What's in it? Thick cooking oil. What's oil? Smell it. Oh yes, this is peat oil. Up again, lift the jug and drink some more, and drink some more, and drink some more. Drink the lot. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the jug, saw our jug in there. What's in it? Yes, here we go again. Lift the jug and fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice. This isn't peat, this is... My mouth is oil. Thick oil. I wonder who that there.